think if you think trade jobs are safe, they're not. They probably have a 2 to 3 year lag behind knowledge worker jobs being displaced or replaced. But you still have to be thinking about how to use AI in your work to augment yourself if you're in a trade job.
And so if you're thinking of making this transition, maybe you were on a more traditional path that was very popular previously. Obviously, that's been severely disrupted by AI, which I think is probably just the tip of this iceberg because what we've seen from robotics thus far is already crazy promising. We talked about in previous content how at CES, they talked about the Atlas robots, and we watched extensive videos on its capabilities, and it is way further than even I was expecting it to be. I think we were expecting it to be so far. So yeah, all of that. I mean, it can change its own batteries. It can probably run 24/7, you know what I mean? And they're bringing the cost effectiveness into a range as well too, which adds some serious pressure and competition for humans that have been doing kind of that job for a while. I think one other trap to be wary of here as well also, because I totally get it myself. I used to work as a mechanic as I was putting myself through school kind of thing. So I was doing trade work then. And there is a vacuum of sorts now. There's a shortage of available good help in trades work, and that creates an opportunity. But I think to your point, that's probably likely to be more short term than it is long term because of the disruption that's right around the corner after AI kind of makes its ways throughout the professional services world. The blue collar stuff, these are massive industries. We're talking about like crazy amounts of money in manufacturing and put assembly and all this other kind of stuff, logistics, right? So that employs lots and lots of people. As such, these companies are looking to squeeze profit out of anywhere. And as robotics continues to develop, for all the reasons you mentioned and the couple that I added, they're going to layer on the AI technology, which is going to be even better by the time these robotics get ready for prime time to be able to do a lot of this kind of stuff.